Hi guys, welcome to my workshop. My name is Marcin Karkoszka, and today I'm gonna show you how I made this out of this. This is called Lithophane. It's been invented roughly 200 years ago, but today I'm gonna show you how I made it in different way, in 3D printed way. What I like most about it is that it's got this wow effect. Because when you look at it, it's just a piece of plastic, irregular shape, basically. That's it. But if you put a little bit light on it, wow! There's someone inside the plastic. It's me inside the plastic. The plastic has stolen my soul.
Oh, no, no,
Alright, but jokes aside, I bet you want to know how I do it. So let's get back to the business. Alright guys, so firstly you gotta go to this web page, 3D Printing Rocks. Then you gotta go to the tools and image to lithophane converter. Then you gotta choose your file, which is your photo that you want to convert. And press open. And it's computing, adding. And boom, now you got your lithophane. At the bottom of the page, you can choose the shape of your project. I've chosen outer curve. I press refresh. And actually, you got your lithophane. At the settings, model settings, you can change the size of the project. It stays as it is because I wanted 150 millimeters. And the most important thing, if you go to the image settings, this thing needs to stay as positive image. The rest stays as it is, but it needs to stay at positive image. Otherwise, it won't be working. So basically, everything's ready. Now you just can download. You can refresh it after every change you do to your project. But actually, that's it. Is it in it? So now you can upload your STL file to Slicer. Any Slicer, I'm using Cura, it's my favorite one. I fasted it up because I've got standard settings, and besides, as you know, different machine, different settings. But all you got to remember is setting up the infill on 100%, otherwise it won't be working. When you do all the settings, you can just slice it up. And as you can see, it takes 4 hours, over 4 hours. Yeah, it takes time. In a preview section, you can check how your machine is gonna be acting during the printing. It's quite useful too, and I use it quite often. Actually, I use all the time when I gotta print something. Then there is a printing, lots of printing, but it's worth it. And a final product, me inside the plastic. Plastic has stolen my soul. Yeah, me inside the plastic and hot wine. How cool is that? That's it for today, guys. I hope you like it. If yes, please comment, subscribe to my channel, leave a like. I got lots of ideas, there'll be more. I got also CNC mini mill and a laser head, so stay safe out there, wear these freaking masks, and hopefully you'll see me soon.